Hey, this is Fivos. I've booked about 6,000 appointments with Voice AI for client campaigns, and in this video, I'm helping marketing agencies add AI, Voice AI, or other agentic systems to their services so that they unlock this new stream of income. And I'm gonna show you the absolute easiest way to do it and how to do it correctly so that I save you a ton of headaches. And the main sections of this video are four. Number one is agentic platforms, which you will have to know which ones to use. Number two is automation platforms, which ones to use, which ones I would suggest you use. And one very important word of caution if you're in a very specific niche, which I will reveal in just a bit. Number three, what you need to get good results for your clients. And number four, the easiest way to unlock this new stream of income. Okay, and I'll show you exactly what that looks like. All right, number one, the agentic platforms that I would suggest you use based on your use case are these ones. And we're gonna start with Voice AI. So we have three main agentic platforms. Number one is Vapi, number two is Retail, and number three is Synthflow. Now, personally, I don't use Synthflow, but I use Vapi and Retail the most. I use Vapi the most because you can customize your agents the most with Vapi, and I really like that. Now, number two, I also use Retail for specific use cases. Specifically, if I have to deal with a client that is in the healthcare niche, I use Retail because when you're serving somebody in the healthcare niche, that might be clinics, that might be dental offices or whatever, there is a concept, specifically in the US and also Canada, that has to do with patient data. With Retail, HIPAA compliance comes along with the platform. With Vapi, you need to pay right now $2,000 a month. Okay, so this is a bit restrictive, and this is why I like using Retail. Now, Synthflow is the most drag and drop platform that you can use. The big problem that Synthflow solves for agencies specifically, you can white label Synthflow, so you can create a bunch of sub accounts and people can log in into their accounts and they can see your own company. Now with Vapi, if a client wants to log into their account, they're gonna see Vapi, and the same goes with Retail. Okay, so this is on the Voice AI side. Let's go to the text, DM, or website AI. The main options are go high level, closebot, and respond. There are some other options like a Pointwise that integrates with high level, but these are the main options that exist in the marketplace. Now, personally, I go with Go High Level. I have heard the argument that Go High Level is not the best. The AI in Go High Level is a bit less intelligent than other platforms, and I tend to disagree a lot because I have gotten fantastic results with agents in high level. And let's be real, agents are just agents. It's just a prompt and a model, and no matter if that model is in Go High Level or Closebot or Respond, it's the exact same agent. Personally, I would go with Go High Level. Okay, so my favorite tech stack out of these two is the combination between Vapi and Go High Level. This is what I use. Okay, and I've been using this for 2.5 years. So now that you're aware of the agentic platforms that you can use, let's go to the automation platforms. The first platform that was very popular about 2 years ago is make.com, and it's still usable today. You can still use make.com for your automations. So make.com has a very user-friendly interface. And the second one is N8N. There is a bit of a steeper learning curve to get to know N8N, but of course you can use both of them, okay? And a very important word of caution here. Do not use these platforms, any of these platforms, if you have clients in the healthcare niche. Just get in touch with me. It's too complex to go over in this video. Just don't do it, because the infrastructure of these two automation platforms is natively non-compliant, and you do not want to get into a situation where you can be sued. So let's go to the next section, which is to get good results for your clients. These are the things that you need to get good results with AI systems. Okay, so the first thing is prompt engineering. You need to understand how to prompt engineer your agents. I have other videos on my channel, by the way, on how to prompt engineer, how to debug agents. and just go back to my videos about how to create VAPI agents and see how I prompt engineer. You can actually use Claude or ChatGPT, but I in general use Claude to help you prompt engineer these agents. Next point after this is understanding and creating tools for agents. So tools is an agent configuration that allows the agent to trigger a specific action under specific conditions. Again, I have videos on my channel on this. Go back and watch them. And the third and last point that I have here, and again, I'm going over these points very high level in this video, is understanding basic automations. Watch my past videos. Okay, so on basic automations, for example, how do we book an appointment with an agent? How do we trigger an agent to send a text to that specific user that is calling at that point, or the agent is calling the user? How do we get the agent to trigger an action to notify the sales team if a lead is hot? Okay, so all of this stuff are specific automations, which, by the way, in my past videos, I give away the templates of these automations. And now let's go over the easiest way to unlock this new stream of income. You need two things in order to unlock the AI income. Number one, you need to be able to demo agents to clients that you already have to convince them or to interest them or to create demand around your AI services. And of course, you're going to stay more relevant and more modern as an agency if you do that. And you need to be able to create fantastic demo agents for your existing clients and of course for sales calls that you have and new prospects that book calls on your calendar. I know it's very, very time consuming, but this is the way that you can actually demo to a potential client their own business running on AI, so they can actually have that full experience before they buy. And I have a solution, of course, on how to create tailored demos extremely fast and not even having to create them. Okay, I'll tell you just now. Cool. Number two, you need to be able to fulfill and deliver the agents you sold and manage them. Okay, now you can sell one agent or you can sell a set of agents to that specific client, and in general you make more money if you sell more agents than just one. How do you do that? The absolute easiest way is with a system that I've created that is called the Kraken, and I've actually created a very nice diagram over here. So what the Kraken can help you with is get people from the marketplace over here, right, and book these people straight into your calendar without any ad spend. Okay, and then when a prospect books a call, so we're gonna configure your calendar, and every single time you're gonna have prospects booking a call in your calendar, the Kraken actually is gonna create the demo agents tailored to that prospect's business. So this is the account that you're gonna have. And there are two main engines. The first engine is the demo engine and the other one is a fulfillment engine. And let's say that every single time you book a call with a client, you wanna showcase an optimized receptionist for their business, an optimized outbound agent for their business, and a website AI agent for their business. So every single time you're gonna have a prospect book a call, these three agents are gonna be fully tailored and ready in your accounts so you can show them to your client. And now I'm gonna play a clip of another video where I actually showcase that. So I'm gonna click on schedule meeting and the meeting is scheduled, and now I'm just gonna wait here. All right, so it's calling me and let's see how it's gonna do. Hello?
This is Phoebos.
Yes, this is Phoebos.
Awesome, Phoebos. So we saw you submitted a form. I just wanted to follow up and see what caught your eye.
Yeah, I just saw an ad of yours on Facebook, and I just want to know what you guys do.
Gotcha. So we offer services like tree trimming, removal, shrub pruning, and even holiday lighting. Is there a specific service you're curious about?
Sorry, who is the owner of your company?
No worries, the owner is Damian Carey. He's a certified Portland arborist and really passionate about tree care. He'll be the one to help you out if we move forward. So are you up for a quick 30-minute consultation?
Yeah, actually, you know what? Can you transfer me to the receptionist, please?
Transferring the call now.
Hey, thanks for calling Oregon Tree Care. This is Emily. How can I help you today?
I see something here, cabling. What is that? What is cabling?
Great question. Cabling is a technique we use to support trees with weak branches or those that are at risk of breaking. It involves installing cables to help stabilize the tree and prevent damage. Is that something you're considering?
Can you please send me the website AI link?
Absolutely. One sec. I just sent you the link to our website. Anything else you need help with today?
Actually, give me a sec. I'm pretty good. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, totally. No problem at all. Thanks for calling Oregon Tree Care and have a great day.
And then we have the fulfillment engine. So after you close the client on a call, the Kraken actually onboards that client automatically, and you can have a fulfillment engine where you set up, or actually we set up for you, the type of voice agent. So for example, receptionist, outbound database reactivation, no-show recovery, billing agent, appointment reminder, etc., etc. And every time that client onboards by himself fully automatically, the Kraken is going to create these agents and is going to insert these agents into your client's accounts, into your client's newly created accounts. And it can also create go high level sub accounts. It can load snapshots. If you sell marketing services, we can potentially automate the delivery of those services too. And now I'm going to play you another clip of that same video to show you how that looks like. So here we have an onboarding form, and I just filled out a very, very simple onboarding form with my name, email, what type of business do you have, etc., specifically for that company, okay, for Oregon Tree Care. I gave some information over here, some do's and don'ts. Then I actually uploaded a knowledge base of that company's knowledge, right, for the agent. And this is actually something that your client will fill out. You're not gonna fill it out for them. Then I listed out a few questions that are gonna be used as qualifying questions for the agents, so that the agents can qualify leads that way. Okay, you can take a look at the qualifying questions. And again, this is something that your client will give you. So what I'll do is I'll click submit, and then I'll go into my account, and you will see in real time agents appear. Okay, now different agencies have different needs, and I've built this system for specific agencies, and they just need, let's say, 2 agents every single time somebody onboards. But I've also built this system for specific agencies where they needed 10 agents, because the packages that they sell are high ticket packages and very comprehensive in regards to the service delivery and how many agents they're going to create for their clients. So I'm going to show you the example of 7 agents now. I'll show you what is possible. So I'm just going to hit submit. Cool, I submitted, and now I'm in my VAPI account, and I'm just going to wait again. And you're going to see the agents appear in this account. This works with VAPI, this works with retail. You can see inbound agent is already here. This works with retail, with all major voice AI providers. Outbound agent just arrived. By the way, this is the appointment reminder. Look at this, admin ops, no-show agent. By the way, this is the system that I call the Kraken, okay? Because it feels like it's having so many tentacles, and it's like a mythical system. Hope you like that. And the reason I've created the Kraken is to provide an agency owner, provide a business owner freedom from their business, okay? So that you're not stuck in the business. You can, of course, have a business expanding, but at the same time, you don't need to be stuck in the business. You can just go out of it, go above it, and be able to enjoy your time, and of course, provide the services that you want to sell to your clients so that they're happy, your reputation is great, and you can rock and roll. So if you're not selling agents yet, get in touch with me and we can create your own set of agents that's going to be specific and tailor-made for your niche and your business, and then Kraken can handle the delivery. And if you're already selling agents, but your agents are not the best quality, or things are breaking constantly, or there are a bunch of tech headaches all over the place, again, get in touch with me and we're gonna handle every single thing with a Kraken. Link is in the description below. Subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.